5 seconds. Respondent number 3 to 14 admittedly are in judicial service. They having joined the judicial service in subordinate judiciary ranging from the years 2006 to 2013. There were not the members of the bar as is the requirement according to the advertisement as well as the rules even on the last date of making applications. 10 posts advertised by the Punjab and Haryana High Court are only meant for advocates practicing in the bar for 7 years preceding the date of application, and no other person can be allowed to participate in the process of selection, including respondents number 3 to 14 must have attained the age of 35 years and have not attained the age of 45 years on the first day of January of the year in which the applications for recruitment are invited. The relevant portion from the advertisement notification dated 16/07/2015 reading thus: any person who fulfills the following conditions may apply to the Registrar Recruitment High Court of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh. The corrigendum dated 17/8/2016 is reproduced below. High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh. Corrigendum: postponement of main written examination of Haryana Superior Judicial Service and inviting of applications. Honorable Supreme Court in recent judgment dated 9 of 1909/8/2016 passed in Civil Appeal number 7358 of 2016 titled as Vivek Kumar Misra and another versus High Court of Judicature at Patna, and others held that in-service candidates cannot be debarred from participating in the selection process of Superior Judicial Service examination. Further eligibility criteria regarding income and number of cases have been provisionally allowed to appear in the main written examination at their own risk and responsibility, subject to production of proof of their eligibility in all respects under the rules. A.B. Chaudhary. By the present petition, the petitioner has challenged corrigendum dated 7/8/2016 Angster P3 issued by respondent number 1 and communication dated 24/12/2016 Angster P4 by which respondents number 3 to 14 in service candidates in the judiciary Haryana Civil Service Judicial Branch were allowed to appear provisionally in the written 1 of 19 examination of Haryana Super Judicial Service and were allowed to participate in the selection process of direct recruitment to the said service meant for participating advocate. Facts: